Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a preview on India vs Afghanistan match which is going to be played tomorrow. So let's start. If we talk about recent performance of both the teams, India and Afghanistan, so India played their last match against Bangladesh which ended up in a 2-0 win for India, and Sunil Chhetri sir scored 2 goals for the Indian team and we won it easily with having 74% position in the game, whereas Afghanistan played their last match against Oman and they lost their match 2-1 to the Oman team. So if we take a close look at the points table, India and Afghanistan have played out 7 matches and India have 6 points in their hand and Afghanistan have 5 points, and this looks little bit similar, but if we take a look at goal difference, then it's not similar anymore because India have -1 goal difference with having 5 goals scored and 6 goals conceded, but Afghanistan have scored 4 goals and conceded 14 goals, so they have -10 goal difference. So it would be interesting to see how the both teams play against each other. So if we talk about last match both teams played against each other, that was on 14 November 2019, means nearly 2 years ago. Afghanistan scored a goal in the 45th minute and we nearly lost the match, but however managed to score the goal in the 90 plus 3rd minute through Semin and Dongle. But it was not enough because at that time India ranked 108 and Afghanistan team ranked 150, so we should have won that match, but still we are hoping to win the match tomorrow. As we all know, India's main aim is to qualify for the 3rd round of AFC Asian Cup, so we need at least a draw against this Afghanistan team so that we can qualify for it, and Afghanistan team needs to win the match if they want to qualify for the 3rd round of AFC Asian Cup. But India should aim for the FIFA rankings and they have to win against Afghanistan if we want to raise at a higher position in the FIFA rankings. Although India won the last match against Bangladesh with a comfortable 2-0 margin, but we can't take this Afghanistan team lightly as they are more developed team than Bangladesh, and we can't waste easy chances against Afghanistan as we did it against Bangladesh, and we have to perform in a better way against Afghanistan and try to win it. So when we talk about lineups, we can start out with a 3-4-3 formation with Gurpreet Singh Sandhu sir starting in the goal because he have more experience than other 2 goalkeepers, and in the defense we should start Chinglisana Singh. He is a very good ball playing defender and he's performed very well in the last match against Bangladesh. Sandesh Jhingan should start as he is the backbone of our defense, and Pritam Kotal or Rahul Bege can start in the match. But in the midfield, Brandon Fernandes, Apuya Alte, Wangyam Suresh and Glenn Martins can start, and in the forward side we can start with Sunil Chhetri sir, Manveer Singh and Vipin Singh. So this is the 3-4-3 formation we can form up against the Afghanistan team, and as substitutes we can play with Sahal Abdul Samad, Liston Kolako, Ashik Koronian, Udanta Singh, Raulin Borges. They can get a playing time in the Indian team. Last time when I did a preview on India vs Bangladesh, I did not predicted any score and the Indian team won the match quite comfortably. So this time also I am not going to predict anything so that we can win the match comfortably and go on. So this was it for today's video. I hope you all liked this video and I wish the Indian football team a very good luck and go and win against the Afghanistan team. A very best luck to our Indian team.
Nina,